All right, hi guys. You're getting this because I am not going to be here today. I'm not feeling well. Throat's starting to hurt. Got a fever. Don't want to get anybody else sick. So just made this video. Hopefully, make it a little easier on you for like what your task is tomorrow and what you're going to be doing. Kind of walk you through that process. So what you're going to do is go to your Hi guys. You're getting this because I'm not going to be here today. I'm not feeling very well. Started running a fever a little bit as I, during the course of the day. My throat started hurting, so don't really want to get anybody else sick, and I honestly don't know if I could even make it through a day. So just wanted to kind of keep you guys on task for tomorrow for kind of what you need to be doing for your projects. So what you need to do is you're going to be getting on Google Classroom. You're already on there because you're seeing this video. Basically all the things that you need is going to be basically smack dab in the first few posts. So here's your Fireside Chat project if you need any assistance for what you need to be doing. So I'll click on it, kind of walk you through this. You guys should have yours out right now as well. We did the first part yesterday with the research and requirements. Again, all these things need to be in your script. So today your task is going to be to complete a script. Just like what you do in a play. There you have a script for a play. Word for word, characters, who's doing what. So again, your script should be 1 minute, 30 seconds to 3 minutes in length of what you're going to create. Alright, so first step, it says here that you're going to be doing is every student in your group must have access to a detailed script. Okay, so what do you need to do? One person in your group, you choose, I don't care who does it, you're going to create a Google Doc. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on my tab, go to Google Docs. Here you go. I'm going to create a blank document. I figured most of you guys know how to do this, so if you know how to do it, then skip forward a little bit. Alright, so basically here's your Google Doc. You're going to share it. You're going to share it. Sorry, my kids are crying downstairs. You're going to title it Fireside Chat Project. If you're in third period, put third period and what program? AAA. That's what you'll save it as, so that way it's easy to find for me. Alright, so I go ahead and do that. I save it, and then I am able to edit, and I can make sure when you share it that you choose the can edit button, and then you share it with your other group members. So make sure every person in your group has a copy of the Google Doc. Alright, so that part's pretty simple. Once you go, you guys can all start typing into and have access to it, so that way if somebody's absent, you can plug and play and go right ahead. Alright, so I'm going to exit out of this. Alright, going back to Google Classroom. Alright, so here's a sample script that I also have posted as well. It's on this document. So here it is. Here's a sample thing. So Brian, I'm just putting Brian out there. He's the radio host. So this is what you should have on your script. Brian, Sue, Eric, whatever, radio host, quotes. Welcome to WKYOC of Midview, Ohio, home of the Middies. Today we have President Franklin D. Roosevelt as our guest today. Talk about the CCC program. Thank you, President Roosevelt, for joining us today. I have an applause sound effect here. So I'll have so when you're presenting, hopefully you have sound effects ready to go, just like any other radio program. They have sound effects. They have things that are ready to go. Then Frank's playing FDR. Thank you, Brian, for having me today. I appreciate every opportunity to talk to the American people. So that's a sample. Obviously, yours going to be much longer than that, but that's what you need to have. So what I would do if I were you, if you have 3 people in your group, if you guys still need more research, have 1 person in your group begin the research process for what you guys need. If you feel like, hey, you know what, I'm good, have all 3 of you guys work on the script. So while 1 person researches, 2 people can work on the script. Or if you need 2 people for a few minutes, have 2 people research and 1 person start the script. Get it organized. Also, make sure you share the Google Doc with me as well, so I have access to it. Alright, so ultimately, that's going to be your goal for today. Try to make this short and sweet for you guys. Quick little video. That's what you need to be doing. Your research should be done, starting your script. You're going to have Tuesday as well to work on your script as well in your group, but by Tuesday you should already have at least the beginning part done. Think about when you are making your script. Again, as I said, sound effects. if you want to play music at the beginning part of your radio show, play some music. Look up some songs from the 1930s that were popular that a radio station would play back then. That's a part of the creativity that can really enhance your project. Use sound effects. Use music to really enhance what you're doing. Try if there's anything else on here. What you're going to need. Go back to Google Classroom. Again, if you need anything, I have a copy of a Fireside Chat sample. Again, just so that way you have it. It's attached. What else do I have here attached for you? There's a copy of the research template. Again, don't forget. Make sure you please do the Google form. Hopefully, you've already done that already. In case you have not, make sure that gets done. Again, you are more than welcome to kind of surf through this if you still need something from one of the programs. Again, here's CWA, FARA, and so forth. All right. So again, to make this clear, your goal today is start your script. Finish your research. Start your script. All right. Thank you.